Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Jeep Compass Sport, stock reference number 4605. This shape runs from the first month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. There's a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. Left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror in black. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear, a 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the right-hand tail light, does have two small tiny sun cracks. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has two small dents, as does the right front door. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror in black. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got an automatic type console in black, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.